Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So in this video we are at the BMW event. Special thanks to BMW Slovakia for having us here today. And in this video we will check out the all-new 2024 BMW 5 Series, the G60. This is the all-new generation of the 5 Series. So the new clear and reduced design language emphasizes the new 5 Series sedan's sporty elegance and presence. Here in this case we have the M Sport package, and also this is the battery EV, the BEV version. So the BMW's power of choice means that you can choose from different versions of the powertrain. You can choose the petrol version, also the diesel in some markets. Then we have the plug-in hybrid versions where you have an electric range on the battery, and then you have an internal combustion engine. And then we have battery EVs, so battery electric vehicles, which one of them is this one in this video. And we have actually two versions of the EVs for the new 5 Series. So we have the i5 eDrive 40, which is this one, and then is M60 xDrive, which is the top model. So we can see the illuminated kidney grille BMW iconic glow. So these are the adaptive LED headlights with optional Matrix high beam, and M shadow line lights as an additional option. So the new BMW 5 Series is now 97mm longer, 32mm wider, and also 36mm higher. The wheelbase is lengthened by 20mm. Here we have the 21-inch BMW individual aerodynamic wheels. These are optional extra, 255, 35, 21-inch, as you can see here on the front axle, and also red brake calipers for the M Sport brakes. Let me know how you like these wheels, if you would choose different ones. I think these look very nice in my opinion. So as you can see, the BMW 5 Series now has a new design language, and also we can see it from the side. This black high gloss black detail part at the lower part actually makes the car look not as tall as it is, and it's very nice in my opinion, this kind of detail. Also at the front fender we can see M Sport badge, and here we can see the door handles, which are like a half flush from the top, and the door is a little bit open, so we need to close it. I just realized that. And also we have illumination with the front doors. Check it out. Very nice stripes at the lower part near the front doors. Let me know how you like this. Also here we have the Hofmeister King counter swing with embossed number 5. Very cool detail. Also if you open front and rear doors on the B pillar you have embossed 5 as well. I showed this in the blue example video, which is already on the channel, so make sure you check that out as well. Also from the back the car has brand new design. We have very powerful rear lights with flat light units, and here you can see how the new car looks like it's a brand new design. Also we can now check the back. So we have powerful rear with flat light unit design. Definitely let me know how do you like this new style of the lights. These are precisely defined light sources with L-shaped chrome strip in modern style. And in terms of the exhaust we don't have any here because this is a battery EV obviously. But here we have these like cutouts on the each end of the diffuser. Here is the logo eDrive 40 on the right side of the boot. And the high gloss black parts goes a little bit upwards in the back. Here is a close-up of the boot lid. It's subtle, not too much, but I think it adds just this nice detail that we have a M Sport version. So let me know how do you like this. So now under the front hood we can see the electric cover for the powertrain. So here we have the powertrain which develops 340 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque, 317 pound-feet of torque. The acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour or 62 miles per hour happens in 6.0 seconds, and the top speed is 193 km per hour or 120 miles per hour. The M60 xDrive is much faster with 3.8 seconds to the 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour, and with 230 kilometers per hour, 143 miles per hour top speed. And now we can check out the all new interior for the 5 Series. Let me know your first impressions. How do you like this? And here in this case also I want to mention we have M Brooklyn Grey metallic paint. And in terms of the interior, we have BMW Individual Merino, Copper Brown and Atlas Grey. So this is the combination of two-tone in terms of the upholstery. And here is how the front looks from the rear. So now we can hop inside and check out the interior. This is the pre-production model. So there will be slightly different changes to the series production, maybe in terms of the door bins or some other smaller changes. Here is a small water bottle, it fits very nicely, should also fit a larger one, we will see in the production version. So this is the new layout where we have under one glass we have two displays, and also all new layout in terms of the central panel, we will check this as well. And here is a close-up of the seats. They are very comfortable actually, so as you can see here, also nice new design. And underneath the armrest we can find some storage space, 12-volt socket and also a light. And here is the middle console where you have also the transmission lever and some other functions. Also two cup holders which are adjustable with USB-C ports. And you have a storage space for a phone as well. Here is the central screen which is slightly curved towards the driver for better visibility, which you can see immediately that it's much more visible. Also have these smaller widgets on the left side, or you can see here you have a much more icons and like a whole view of the functions of the car. So underneath we have illuminated stripe, also with hazard lights, and underneath controls for the AC vents. So in terms of the trim we have dark silver M accent combined with carbon fiber and high gloss silver threads. Let me know how do you like this, I think it looks very nice. So I would probably go for this trim. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section down below. And also the steering wheel has a brand new design. On the left side we have controls for the lights, and here I want to show you some colors for the ambient lights. Check out how amazing this looks. Then we have, for example, gold. This one is this goldish accent. Also in person it looks a little bit more gold than here on the camera, which is more like a sort of yellowish, orange-ish color. Then we have lime. This one is very, very cool. So we have about 10 more or less in terms of the colors, and they are all very nice shade, I have to say. Also here we have the My Modes, where you can change, for example, the sport. That's also illuminated, as you can see here, with the blue and together with the red. And also the ambient light animation you could see there. The ambient light strip is very large, I would say, and brightens up the cabin quite a lot. Here is the efficient in terms of the blue accents. Also the screen changes, as you can see, also for the driver and the central one as well. And here is the expressive. This one combines like a blue one and also a little bit of this gold sort of color, yellowish color. So let me know which one is your favorite. Probably for me the sport one is one of my favorites. Also here we have the relax one, very nice and subtle ambient lighting. Also you have customization for the personal one. So this is in terms of the front. Now we can check out the rear seats, the rear bench, the rear section of the vehicle. So here we have the bench with the 3-seat configuration, but more comfortable for 2 passengers. So here we have these very nice shades which you can either open or close them depending how you want at the current moment. The rear windows can also be with the privacy glass. On the back of the seat we have the USB-C port, very nicely located, and small ambient stripe. Alright, so now it's time to hop in the back, close the door and check it out. So in terms of the legroom, we can check it out. The seats are cut out where you have knees, so you have much more space in your knee area than, for example, in the middle. So this makes the car having much more legroom, I would say. Check it out. So I really like this personally, and really a lot of space for sure for knees. And here is a peek at the front, how it looks from the back. So above my head I have really nice, about 7-8 centimeters, about 3 inches of headroom, and yeah, the car is really spacious. Also the panoramic sunroof is really huge, and check out this interior, very nice. So down under the vents you can find the USB-C ports and also the display where you can change the AC, bunch of settings, and also the vents have physical buttons to change them. Here is the seat, which is very soft. We will see how it will be in the production version. Also we have ISOFIX connection for the child seat, and in the middle we have an armrest. So this one is wide for 2 arms and 2 adjustable cup holders as well. So really nice improvement also in the rear, and the panoramic sunroof is now larger than previously, so brightens up the cabin quite a lot. Also vent at the B-pillar on the inside, and check out the seat belts. They have M colors, so this is a really nice detail in my opinion. And Bowers & Wilkins hi-fi system. And here are door pockets, which could change, we will see in the series production. So now we can check out the boot. So we can press a button and open it. So the boot capacity is 490 liters, 17.3 cubic feet. That's for the EV version. For the petrol version or diesel, we have 520 liters, 17.4 cubic feet. So that's about 30 liters difference in terms of the battery EV, which I think is not that big of a deal, honestly, so good job with this. Also have levers where you can pull the back seats. They have split of 40-20-40, so you can fold only the middle part and transfer like skis, golf bag, etc., some longer objects. And you can close the boot lid here with the touch of a button automatically. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how you like the new 5 Series in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day!